Hey everybody, it's LightningDude42 here. I'm back again to do another reaction video for you guys. Today's reaction, we're going to be reacting to a SMG4 YouTube, the Ultimate Smash Bros. Which is I think it's a musical. He just uploaded this today. And let's begin. The first frame we see here is just a black screen as I'm seeing right now. And let's begin. 3, 2, 1, play. Glitchy boy. Oh, Final Destination. Original song by LightningDude, sung by Matthew Guy.
Old Mario was jumping around, Final Destination like a battleground. Then suddenly Kirby flew from the sky and smacked Mario right in the eye. Mario got pissed and smashed attack, but then accidentally hit Little Mac. Little Mac turned around and struck him with fear when Snake came out and yelled middle gear. Snake jumped from his box and threw a grenade, but then Eggman struck him on a bot he'd made. Eggman had his box were blasting everyone. Trevor came in with a giant ass gun. He unloaded on everybody at the scene when Haggard ran him over on his flying machine. Came to a halt as he saw a giant flash as Samus came down and unleashed her final smash. This is the Ultimate Smash Bros. But he had to stop with his savage respect. My crasher was gonna tear power at all. When you stepped in through Pokeball. King Joe, second Jiggly song. Everyone fell asleep.
This is a catchy song.
Down from Nintendo descended Sakurai. He looked upon these mods and yelled, "Oh dear Lord!" Quickly unsheathing his samurai sword, he went on a rampage, chopping people down. To contest him, Link rode into town. He took out his sword, looking all grim. Sakurai got his keyboard. It simply nerfed him. Then Inkling the girl and Inkling the boy. And are you ready? Let's do it, Sleep Roy. Gamora and George the Explorer.
What? Alright.
Master Chief and DDD. Smoke Professor Oak.
Professor Oak? Teletubby? What? Nurse Joy. Oh, this is really awesome. What's that, Squidward?
Sexy middle-aged Mr. Tingle.
Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching this music parody that we did. It was so much fun to make. The original song is by LightningDude. You can check out his original video in the description. But I want to take this time to give a massive shout out to Matthew Guerra, who lent his sexy voice to sing for this video. You can check out his main channel, MatthewGU4, in the description. More importantly, if you want to hear more of his angelic voice, Matthew has just released a new album covering a ton of different anime openings. One's playing right now. It's really sexy. Check out his work on his music channel, MattXAJ Anime. And please, if it's one thing you go do today, go check out his album on Spotify or iTunes. Links are in the description as well. This is SMG4, guys, and if you want to support me, just go watch some more SMG4 videos. Also, I play games. Please watch them, Paul.
that it? Oh, okay. Alright, that was a really awesome video, to be honest. I'm definitely giving this video a like right now. Yeah, SMG4, really awesome music video. The original video will be in the link description down below. Also, definitely subscribe to SMG4. This channel will be in the description down below as well. Until next time, guys, it's LightningDude42 signing off.